Hi, here's a little stretch and exercise I do for my stomach and my legs. Come to the wall. I get nice and snug in position and I put my legs up. I can point my feet or flex them or leave them relaxed. I can turn out my legs or keep them turned in, your choice. I'm going to work on my stomach with what I call micro exercises. I just move small range of motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. And 1, 2, rounding your back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I hold the last one. I feel tight in the tummy. I'm rounded in my back. And down. And then I take my legs for a bonus exercise and I stretch them to the side. Nice and easy. Sometimes I use my hands so I don't hurt my legs up here. And I just hold this. And then breathe. 30 seconds is good. That's how long maybe you should do it. Then I push them up, and then I'm going to do the exercise again, but this time I'm going to reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. And relax. I use my hands to let my legs go down because I do not want to hurt them, nor do you. And I stretch. About 30 seconds. Good. Keep this knee and this knee nice and straight. Then I bring them up. I really feel it in the thighs. And we'll go one more time with the exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax. Notice I make a nice round back when I come up. Ready? And up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And down. Relax. If you're more advanced, you could go even higher if you want. And up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hold. Tight core. And relax. Last time for my stretch. This time I need my hands on my legs so I don't hurt them. I breathe, relax for about 30 seconds. And up. Then I'm going to do a little more harder exercise. Put my hands to the side and I press them down. I take my legs and I lean up. I go almost to the floor and then back up. Squeezing tight in the tummy and the other side. And then back up. I make sure I only go to where I feel good. I don't want to strain my back. And if you have a bad back, this may not be the exercise for you. And to the side. And up. And then I'm going to finish with another stretch. Take the leg off a little and pull. I keep my body totally in line. You can point that foot if you like. And I just feel the stretch in here. I breathe. Remember the ease up thing. If it hurts, go back a little. Other leg, stretch. I feel it in the knee a lot here, so I have to take this back and bend it a little. Now I'm getting more stretch here. And put it back gently. And then this one can stretch. Remember, you can bend it too and stretch up here. And if it's straight, you're stretching more behind. And good. Let's see if I can keep this one straight this time. Okay, it's all right. I feel it. And I have to help it back because that knee is hurting a lot. And then I'm nice and easy. Then I practice a tuck and a straight and a tuck around the back and straight and around the back and your tuck and straight and tuck. And I hold this when I count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I finish relaxing. That's it for that exercise. I hope you enjoyed it. See you later.